here at Madam Muffler's, where the HO is going in for a vocal cord transplant. We'll see what she sounds like when she comes back. Had a problem with the key again. I think it's time for a new barrel because nothing seemed to make a difference. So anyway, for all your muffler stuff, Madam's Mufflers and Toy Bars here in Kelmscott. I'll let you know how we go. Couple more times. It's not that loud. Not as loud as my other one. Nowhere near it. The neighbours won't hate this one, like the red one. I just had the muffler fitted, and it's still, compared to my red one, it's still super quiet. It's got 3 cats on it, and I'm like, really, 3 cats? Because I haven't been underneath this yet since I brought it. And one doesn't even have sensors on it, so I don't know why the hell there's a third one without sensors, what the point is. And it's getting blocked, he said, so it needs a good hot run, I think, clean it out a bit. I hit it with a blowtorch, I heard someone say. So I don't know if you can hear it now, but hang on. You know, compared to my red one, it just sounds like a stocker, really. You know, my red one's beefy, but this, so it's basically going from 2.5 inch to 3 muffler back to 2.5. But at least when you're cruising, you can hear the rumble of the V8 before it, which is like a sewing machine. I don't know where I could put this so you could hear it. There's no drone. In fact, it's reasonably quiet. Can't even hear it really inside.